Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rahalis. I would like to share a story about my swimming. My favorite hobby is swimming. I usually go swimming 2 months into this weekend, the last week. I like is hobby because in my opinion, swimming makes my hobby feel relaxed. It's enjoyable and makes me more enthusiastic. Basically said, when I swim, I feel calm, my body feel fresh, especially because water in Cirebon is very hot. Also helps my reduce stress caused by intense heat in Cirebon. For me, swimming is not just a sport, but it also makes me my more enthusiastic in speaking the water in Cirebon. Thank you.